If you've been experiencing pain in your bones and joints, you know just how frustrating unwanted arthritis symptoms can be. In this case, one home remedy that you can consider is to use turmeric. And that is the topic of this video. So, if you're ready, let's get into it. Turmeric is often known as the king of natural health remedies. That is because of its anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antibacterial, and strong antioxidant properties. But you're probably wondering, how can turmeric help your joints? Multiple studies on osteoarthritis have shown that turmeric extract can act as a therapeutic aid and reduce pain symptoms. In fact, some researchers believe that turmeric is just as effective as some prescription anti-inflammatory medications. This is great news because turmeric doesn't contain toxic compounds like many of the over-the-counter non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. But to be safe, it's best to speak with your doctor before taking turmeric supplements to see what is recommended for your individual needs. Typically, turmeric supplements are combined with black pepper in order to improve bioavailability so that it can be absorbed by the body. Aside from turmeric, some other techniques that you can consider for joint pain include: try an Epsom salt bath, herbal tea, anti-inflammatory foods, hot and cold therapy, omega-3 fatty acids, capsaicin cream, yoga, acupuncture, and an olive oil massage. We've talked more about these home remedies in a separate video here on our channel. With that said, just a quick reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for informational purposes only. But real quick, if you don't mind, do me a huge favor and hit the like button. It really helps support the channel and I greatly appreciate it. And you might as well go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this. Hopefully what you learned in this video was useful and can help you reduce arthritis symptoms over time. If so, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you want to dive even deeper, we do have a full guide on our website. I will drop a link to it right below this video down in the description. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Have a blessed day, and as always, breathe easy, my friend.